Hi Ash class. So this story is one that's based on the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And it's a wonderful story that I used to read to my children. But actually, I sing it because it's just like the song. So I hope you will enjoy listening to it and looking at the beautiful pictures. And think about, where would you go if you were rowing in a boat, and what adventures would you have? Row Your Boat, rhyme by Pippa Goodhart. Illustrated, can you remember what that means? The drawings, well done. Illustrated by Stephen Lambert. I love the big, bright, bold pictures with all the colours. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Hoist, hoist, hoist the sail, we're setting out to sea. We're sailing to an island, Georgie, you and me. What does hoist mean? That's it, to pull it up. Sometimes we go, pull the sail up, we're hoisting the sail. Was it not up in the beginning? See? The sail's not there, and then they hoist it up, and there's the sail in the picture. Leap, leap, leap ashore, jump onto the land, splashing in the water and kicking up the sand. Wow, haven't they turned up at a beautiful looking island? I think Bunny's having fun. Thump, bump, humpty bump, who's that on the track? A great big friendly elephant, let's climb up on his back. Elephant's picked up Bunny. I'm glad the elephant's friendly. Flap, flap, fluttering wings, birds fly all around. Hold on to the elephant's ears, we're far above the ground. Look at all the beautiful different colours. Like they're in a paradise island with the beautiful coloured birds. Slip, slip, slip and slide down the elephant's nose to see the snakes and spiders that live down by his toes. Oh, don't think I'd want to go and see them. Up, jump, hurry along, clambering through the plants. I can see the monkeys, let's join them in their dance. Oh, can you see this bird here? Do you know what that bird's called? It's called a toucan. Swing from arms, swing from tails, swooping through the trees, shaking all the flowers down and making Georgie sneeze. Achoo! Oh, poor Georgie. She's not looking very happy. I don't think the monkeys are making them feel very happy. Push, poke, tug and pull, the monkeys like to tease. They pull the tail of something big that's hiding in the trees. Uh-oh, what are they pulling the tail of? Can you guess? And whose beak is this? Who does that belong to? I think that's the toucan's beak, isn't it? Grrr, grrr, what's that noise? Oh, it's a lion's roar! Quick, he's chasing after us. Let's race back to the shore. Oh no, so they pulled the lion's tail and he's doing a big roar! Run, run, find the boat and push it out to sea before the lion catches us and eats us for his tea. Roar, off they go! Row, row, row your boat gently up the stream. Merrily, 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 was it just a dream? What do you think? Was it just a dream? Or did they really go and have an adventure on their island? Oh, there's the birds. Well, think about where you would go adventuring if you had a magical rowing boat. I hope you enjoyed that one. Bye for now.